Yo mga par, it's me again, Manny Hook. And for today's video, I'm going to show you a new website where you are going to earn money by listening music. Yes, and you heard it right. And this is a new platform, and it has 20,322 users worldwide. This is a new platform, and I will going to show you step by step how to sign up. So before anything else, before I'm going to start the video, mga par, don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the notification bell for you to notify another video or another earning website, guys. Nakikita tayo. So without further ado, let's start the video.
So, right now we're here in my Google account. We're going to search Rastone. Alright, this one. So this is the website that I was telling you all, telling you. Anyway, so this is the name of the website. Rastone earn rewards effortlessly. So, as you can see, we are now here inside the website, and here earn rewards effortlessly. So, uh, as you can see down here, this is the example of the music that we were going to listen. Each music there was a prize. Right down here, most frequently asked question. You can also search here, or when you have something to ask about this website or search about this website, just look there. Here is their frequently asked questions, so just check it in here. You can also read the information below. Okay, all right, to continue, we just going to click this one, get started. Okay, this is how we create the account. So sign up here, your full name, email. Okay, so let's just type here Manny. They're just going to sign up. I'm sorry. Just click I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy.
So guys, since hindi na save yung video ko kanina, so right now nasa screen tayo. That is how we listen music. Nagpe-play siya, guys. Ayan. Okay, continue. Click the continue. Okay, wait. Well, okay, complete. And right now we have $7.42.
Okay, so that is how we listen to the music for us to earn money, guys. Oh, mga par. Mga par. Yun yung gawin natin, mga par. Okay? Okay, so right now, since there's still remaining songs that merong price, So, listen lang natin sila guys. Pero as of now, since I am reviewing this website, i-discover lang natin dito muna guys. So, ito yung song, sa gilid, song. Alright, so ito yung song, hottest song. Okay. Meron din rate dito. So, dito sa creator bonus. Alright, earn up to $80 by creating video ranging from 4 to 10 minutes in length, including your referral link and description. Oh, I didn't know this. Di ko alam guys na pwede palang may ganito. So, let's see if aabot tayo ng, ano sabi? Ranging from 4 to 10 minutes. So, okay lang pala na nasa 7 minutes. So, okay, anyway. So, back to, if meron, gusto nyong magawa ng video, if may YouTube channel kayo guys, pwede palang magawa at i-link nyo lang dito yung video, okay? So, back tayo. And then, dito sa my account, this is my profile, I guess. Alright. So, hindi na lang natin ito isali. And then, referral, when you refer or invite, you can also earn $1. So, mas maganda if may ma-invite siguro dito, guys. Pero, hindi naman siya, required talaga. Optional lang naman yung pag-i-invite natin dito, guys. So, next is my wallet. So, dito natin makikita kung magkano yung, okay, so dito, PayPal. Merong PayPal, Payer, Tether, USDT, or mahilig sa mga Bitcoin. Pwede yata dito. Mastercard, EcoPay, Google Play. So, mas prefer tayo dito sa PayPal. So, dito tayo mag-withdraw. Okay, so, insert na natin kung, payment. Okay, so, input lang natin yung email natin dun saan pwede tayo makapag-withdraw sa PayPal. Okay, so nakikita natin dito is payment not generated. You must reach $90 or more. So, di pa tayo pwedeng makapag-withdraw since ang kailangan natin is $90. So, we'll just go into wait until we reach the $90 or more. So, makikinig muna tayo ng mga music, guys. So, that's it, Pansit. Okay.
So guys, that is for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the notification bell para ma-notify sa mga bagong video.